I'm doing it right now, Attorney Faulkner.
Oh, I was just telling my wife. I'm not
Yep, I
hearing
heard
you.
you. Tell your wife you got her.
You got her
36
seven, huh?
District,
Yep.
36th District Court in the state of Michigan is now in session with the Honorable Judge Marlena E. Taylor presiding. During these proceedings, there is no eating, no sleeping, no lying down, no driving, and no wearing of any head garments except for religious purposes. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Thank you. All right. Miss Williams, I'm going to call you first, okay?
Okay.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Latoya Williams. This is U-Ticket 662-46923. This is one count of, what was it? Parent or legal guardian curfew violation. That's what it was. And this was on a 90-day delayed sentence. She was to get no new tickets. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Faulkner, P 22994, Representative Defendant. Your name, ma'am?
Latoya Williams.
Matter is up for review, Your Honor.
All right. She has no new tickets to my knowledge. So at this point in time, I didn't assess her a fine. I think she had already been fined, if I could remember correctly, or something happened. So fine is at $0. So she didn't have to pay. So you're all set, okay, ma'am? This is
Thank
dismissed.
you.
You're welcome. Thank you for signing in, okay?
All right.
All right. Bye-bye. Miss Waters? Brenda Waters?
Was that Walter?
Miss Walters. Miss Walters. Let me see if I can get her. All right. Let's try Michael Womack. Mr. Womack.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. If you could turn your camera on for me, please. Now calling the matter of the people versus Michael Anthony Womack Jr. This is ticket number 343660. Count 1, unregistered motor vehicle. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, no operator's license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Paul Faulkner, Representative Defendant. Your name, sir?
Michael Womack Jr.
Yeah, there is an offer. He would plead to the case ending in 601 and then 611.
Okay. All right. And I didn't call 2 additional tickets. I do apologize. It's ticket 275891, no operator's license on person, and ticket 343661, improper plates. Sir, if you want to take advantage of this offer today, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to an attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes, I just talked to Mr. Porter.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything outside of what's been stated today in exchange for a plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, that you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters? You understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, sir. I want to take your attention all the way back to the date of May 11th of 2017. At that time, were you driving a Dodge vehicle in the area of Dexter and Carter Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yeah.
And at that time, did you have improper plates on the vehicle?
Yeah.
And then I also want to take your attention back to the date of March 14th of 2017. At that time, were you driving a Dodge vehicle in the area, this time of Heritage and Quincy in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
And while you were driving that vehicle, were you not in possession of your license?
No.
All right, satisfied, counsel?
Yes, Your Honor.
Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
So stipulate.
So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea to, it's failed to display, I think, no possession of operator's license, as well as charged to the improper plates. Mr. Womack, these tickets are from 2017. Where you been?
I didn't pay most of my tickets. I got my license and CPL and everything now.
Dude.
It's just-
I do see that you got your license, but you got to come back and handle this stuff when you're supposed to handle it, okay?
Yeah, I paid a ticket from 2014. I've paid all my up-to-date tickets, but them the ones that didn't show up for me. They only showed up at the 36th district.
Yeah, because misdemeanors sometimes won't come through, so you probably pay all the civil infractions, okay?
Yes, ma'am. I didn't went
Do you
to
know
the
about how
kiosk.
Uh-huh. Do you know about how much money? Did you have to pay some bonds in order to come have these put on my docket?
Yes, ma'am. I didn't gave up like 4 to 5,000 just tickets throughout the years of my life.
Okay. Because I see you had a cash bond. Did he have a bond on this that he had to pay? Or did they let him just do it? He had to post no bond. Like he had a reinstatement fine on that ticket though. Yeah. Okay. All right. I just see on the back of the ticket it says $200. That's why I was asking. Oh, on all of them it says $200 cash by Austin Garrett, Judge Garrett. Oh. All right, my fine is typically $200. Is that something you're able to afford? He got reinstatement fees on one of these tickets, so it looks like.
Yeah, I could make my payments for sure.
Okay. Tickets. Hold on a minute. I'm gonna see how many tickets you have reinstatement fees. Your license is valid, but you need to pay these fees or else you're gonna be in trouble. So I'm not gonna charge you a fine because you're gonna have to pay it looks like 3 or 4 reinstatement fees. So those are $45 a piece. Pay those so that way your license doesn't go into default, okay?
Yes, because I do not need that.
Okay, so pay all the reinstatement fees. They're $45 a piece. Find out, go online, look and see which ones you have. Pay those. I'll take away the warrant fine, but you got to pay the reinstatement fee, okay?
Okay.
It's on all your tickets too. So you got, I'm not charging you any more money because you got to pay them on all your tickets.
So how many is that? Like 5, 4? I mean, 4 or 5?
Yeah, I think you had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 45 times 5 is 225. Okay.
And do I pay that down? I can take that to the 36th district?
Go 36th district, or you can pay it online, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So take care of those. Don't pay. If it's a warrant fine, wait for us to make sure it's in the computer system so you can take care of it, okay?
Okay.
All right. If there's nothing further, you're all set, Mr. Womack, okay?
All righty. Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, Miss Waters. Brenda Waters. All right. Attorney Faulkner, you got some background noise. It's making it pop up a little bit on your thing. I don't know what
Someone
it is.
that's got the trowel on this minute.
Oh.
My wife's trying to keep up with it.
I understand. I ain't mad. I'm gonna call Miss Waters because you spoke to her and we ran her license. She ended up actually even paying a ticket, the civil infraction ticket with this. Okay.
Sure.
Okay. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Brenda Joyce Walters. This is ticket SX 4224470. This is 1 count, no operator's license on person. Can I have your appearance for the record, Attorney Boffman?
Paul Faulkner, representative defendant.
Faulkner.
That's
Attorney
okay.
Faulkner, I'm so sorry.
I thought you said something different, but I wasn't sure.
I did. And then my clerk looked over at me and was like, I see Ms. Walters is on the screen. She's been having some audio issues today. But today, I know that you asked the court to run her license. It is valid. And she also paid a civil infraction ticket she had with this, the improper land usage, which she paid in full. So do you have a motion at this time, council?
Motion to dismiss.
All right, at this time, the court is going to dismiss this ticket, both because she has a valid documentation and because she paid the civil infraction that went with it. So if there's nothing further, you're all set. Ms. Waters, I don't know if you can hear me or not. They told me you were having some issues this morning, but we took care of your matter, so you're all set, okay? Have a good day. And that is, all right, she heard us. She logged off.